Hey there, incredible English learners! Welcome back to English EdgeX, your go-to English learning channel for real strategies that actually work. I'm your host, Emma, and today I'm revealing the 3 apps that completely transformed my English. From broken, hesitant sentences to smooth, confident conversations. If you're tired of studying grammar rules that don't help you speak, if you're frustrated with traditional methods that don't translate to real conversations, and if you're looking for modern, practical tools that fit into your busy life, this episode is exactly what you need. I'm sharing 3 specific apps, how I used each one, and the exact results they gave me. So grab your phone, get ready to download, and let's transform your English with technology. Let's dive in. App number 1, HelloTalk. This is the app that gave me my first real English conversations. HelloTalk connects you with native English speakers who want to learn your language. It's language exchange made simple. You help them with your language, they help you with English. What makes HelloTalk brilliant is the built-in correction feature. When you send a message and make a mistake, your partner can correct it directly in the app. You see the correct version immediately and learn from real context. I used HelloTalk for 20 minutes every evening. I'd send voice messages describing my day, and native speakers would respond with corrections and their own stories. Within 3 months, I went from sending 1-sentence messages to having 15-minute voice conversations. The app removed my fear of making mistakes because everyone there is learning. It's supportive, practical, and completely free. App number 2, Elsa Speak. This app focuses specifically on pronunciation, and it changed how I sound when speaking English. Elsa uses AI to analyze your pronunciation and gives you instant feedback. You read sentences out loud, and the app tells you exactly which sounds you're getting wrong and how to fix them. It breaks down difficult sounds into manageable practice sessions. I spent 10 minutes daily with Elsa, focusing on my problem sounds. The TH sound, the R sound, and vowel distinctions that don't exist in my native language. The app was patient, never judgmental, and incredibly effective. After 2 months, people stopped asking me to repeat myself. My pronunciation became clear and confident. The premium version is worth it, but the free version still offers tremendous value. App number 3, Cake. This app teaches English through short video clips from movies, shows, and real conversations. Each clip is 15 to 30 seconds, showing you how native speakers actually talk in real situations. You watch the clip, see the transcript, practice repeating the sentences, and then take quizzes on the expressions. What I loved about Cake is that it teaches real English, not textbook English. Slang, idioms, natural expressions that native speakers use daily. I used Cake for 15 minutes during my commute, learning 3 to 5 new expressions every day. These weren't random vocabulary words. They were phrases I could immediately use in conversations. Within weeks, my English sounded more natural and less robotic. Here's my complete app routine that took me from broken to fluent. Morning, 10 minutes with Elsa practicing pronunciation. Evening commute, 15 minutes with Cake learning natural expressions. Before bed, 20 minutes with HelloTalk having real conversations. That's 45 minutes daily using 3 free apps. And the results were remarkable. Your challenge: download all 3 apps today. Spend just 15 minutes with one app to start. Try HelloTalk and send your first message. Try Elsa and do 1 pronunciation lesson. Try Cake and learn 1 expression. See which one resonates with you most. Then commit to using it daily for 30 days. Now, as we close, I want to send you the best wishes for this tech-powered journey. I wish you excitement in discovering how technology can accelerate learning. I wish you consistency in using these apps daily. I wish you confidence that grows with every corrected mistake and perfected sound. I wish you real conversations that prove your English works. I wish you the joy of natural expressions rolling off your tongue. And most importantly, I wish you the understanding that fluency is at your fingertips. Literally, through the phone in your hand. Thank you for being here with me today on English EdgeX, your trusted English learning channel. Thank you for being part of this tech-savvy learning community. If this episode helped you, share it with someone who needs these app recommendations. Remember, 3 apps, 45 minutes daily, and consistent practice. Your smartphone just became your personal English teacher. Download, practice, and watch your broken English transform into fluent conversations. Until next time, stay tech-savvy, stay consistent, and remember that fluency is just 3 apps away. This is Emma from English EdgeX saying, believe in the power of technology, trust these proven apps, and step into the fluent conversationalist you're becoming. Best wishes on your app-powered English journey. Now go download and start transforming. See you in the next episode. You've got this.